In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a delete action in Notion, specifically how to restore a deleted page. Now, we all know how disheartening it can be when a page you've worked hard on gets deleted, either accidentally or due to a change in plans. Fortunately, Notion makes it pretty straightforward to recover your deleted content. So, let's dive into the steps to get that page back where it belongs. First things first, you'll want to open up Notion. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your credentials. Once you're on your Notion dashboard, the process to restore a page begins. The key to everything here is the trash feature in Notion. To access it, you'll need to locate the trash section. This is where Notion temporarily stores the pages and content you've decided to delete. It works much like a recycling bin on a computer, giving you a chance to retrieve items if you change your mind. Head over to your sidebar and look for the trash option. It should be pretty visible, but if you're having trouble finding it, try expanding any sections in the sidebar that might be collapsed. Clicking on trash will take you to a list of all the deleted pages organized by the date they were removed. With the trash open, take a moment to scan through the list of deleted pages. It might be helpful to remember approximately when you deleted the page you're looking to restore. The items are generally sorted by their deletion date, so this should help you narrow it down more quickly. When you find the page you're looking for, it'll have a name, hopefully something recognizable to you, and clicking on it will highlight that page. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once you have selected the page you want to restore, focus your attention on the top of your screen. You'll be looking for something that resembles an arrow curving back on itself, which serves as the undo button. It's a visual cue that indicates the action to revert the deletion. Give that undo arrow a click, and just like that, your page is restored to its rightful place in your Notion workspace. And there you have it. Your deleted page should now be back in your Notion, exactly as it was before. It's literally that easy. Remember, Notion's trash feature holds on to deleted items for a certain period of time, so it's best to act promptly if you discover you've accidentally deleted something important. Thank you for watching this Notion tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and insights on how to make the most out of your digital tools.